Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to prevent users from changing the language in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on start. Now here type edit group policy. Open edit group policy. So here guys expand user configuration, then expand administrative templates, then expand control panel. Now here double click on regional and language options. Now here double click on restrict selection of Windows menu and dialogues language. So double click on it. Now here select enabled if you want to disable, and now here select enabled if you want to stop peoples to change language. Then click on apply and click on OK. And guys also you can undo this setting. So click on edit, right click on edit and select disabled or not configured. So like this guys, you can prevent users from changing the language in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.